Nothing sub-brand CMF announced the CMF Phone 2 Pro in April last year. As the company refreshes the lineup once a year, early details about its successor are starting to surface right on schedule. One of the biggest changes this generation could be the processor. The upcoming phone is expected to move away from MediaTek chips and instead use a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 4. The CMF Phone 2 Pro, by comparison, uses a Dimensity 7300 Pro processor. The phone is also said to have a rated battery capacity of 5090 mAh, with a typical capacity of around 5400 mAh. That will be paired with support for 45W wired charging, up from 33W on the previous model. The midframe could switch from plastic to metal, which may improve both in-hand feel and durability. The display is tipped to be an AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2392 by 1080, along with a centered punch hole cutout for the front-facing camera. There's no official confirmation yet from Nothing or CMF, and details could still change before launch. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.